Hi, we're gonna make a beef bean sprout, and that's the beef we're gonna use, and that's a regular beef you can get in the store. Not a real choice beef, tender beef, but this is just a regular. But if you use that, we're gonna tenderize. We have to tenderize them overnight. So this carrot has been tenderized last night, so it's already tenderized. And all you do, you just marinate them and cook them. And if you use a good beef, you don't have to tenderize them. You just cut them slice and just cook them without tenderize them. And if you want to know how to tenderize, you can look it up in our video. So we're gonna put some salt, new salt, and white pepper, and half the eggs. You don't need that much. And it's about half a pound of meat, beef, sliced beef. Okay, and you just mix them up like that. And you're gonna put some cornstarch in it. If not, if too be kind of thickening, little up, kind of like little coating on the outside. If they are too runny, you just put some more cornstarch in it. Or if you make it with too much cornstarch, too thick, and you just put some water in it. Okay, and that's it. And put some oil in it. At the meantime, we're gonna put some heat the wok up and put some oil in the wok. All right, and that's about it. And we're gonna fry that up. So you wait until make sure the wok heat up. You know, you can try that. Put a little bit in it. Yeah, that look okay. See the. Okay, then you put it in there and kind of loosen up a little bit. So make sure they don't stick together. So like that. Yeah, that's about it. Then yeah, so they're pretty much not just stick together. See, all you want is just browning them up on both sides. See, they're like that. You can see them browning them. See, they're almost done. Okay, I think they are pretty much done right now, so we're gonna put them up. So you're gonna heat up the oil. We're gonna cook the bean sprout right now. So you're gonna heat it up the oil. Okay. So we're gonna put the little garlic into it. About half teaspoon. I'm gonna put some ginger in it. About one tablespoon ginger, chop up ginger, and that's a bean sprout. We're gonna use about 1 pound of bean sprout, fresh bean sprout. And you can tell it's not too, it's kind of a little dry, so you add a little oil in it. And you put little red pepper, red onions in it. I like to cook the bean sprout, cook through, because a lot of people they don't cook through the bean sprout. They eat it raw or something. I don't like the idea, so I like it cooked fully. And usually they take a little longer time to cook because you have to cook it down, cook it through. So and you use it. Your wok is not that powerful, so you take a little more time, but which is okay. And that's about it. And you can see them almost it gets cooked. They turn it, the color been changing it. And now you're gonna put some salt in it. Half a teaspoon of salt. And some pepper, just the pepper you like, the white pepper. Half teaspoon, something like that, depends how you like that, But this look okay right now, and they don't get too much water from the bean sprout. But if they get too much water or juice coming out from the bean sprout, you have to make a salt, make some thickening it up with cornstarch. But we're not gonna do it. They don't get that much sauce. Okay, then half teaspoon of sugar. Then about 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. 1 tablespoon of cooking sherry. And you're going to put some more long strip onions in it, and some red pepper, sliced pepper, and cut up ginger, green onion, chop up onion. And one tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay, then we're gonna put the beef in it right now because after you can see them cook through and you can put the beef in it. Just mix, just want to mix them up, mix them even. So that's pretty much done. Okay. Okay, that's uh beef with bean sprout.